Hi guys, Tuke Morgan here. Welcome to my channel. This is the series Lessons I've Learned as a Creative Entrepreneur, and this is the 13th one in the series. If you haven't watched the other ones, please click on the link here and it'll take you to the playlist of them. And if you like my makeup look, there will be a beauty tutorial coming up. So yeah, I'll put the link to it here also. So the 13th lesson is about don't assume anything, and make sure that what's the word, if someone tells you something, okay, for example, if you have an appointment, like make sure that it is the day that's specified. I don't know if I'm making sense, but let me give an example. So on Friday I had two radio interviews, and in my diary I was written as the first one was at 3, the second one was at 8, and that was when my manager had 2. And I'd spoken to the OAP for the one at 3, and then she didn't mention anything about the time, but she just said, don't be late tomorrow. And I was like, yeah, no problem. Anyhow, so the day came, and then she called me at 11. And I was like, where are you? And I'm like, you're supposed to be here at 11. And I was like, but I have everything down in my diary 3, and so does my manager. She was like, no, it's 11, blah, blah. So I had to like rush, shower, and drive all the way to Ebutemeta or whatever. But it just like spoiled my plans for the day, because I had planned to do things before 3 o'clock, and yeah. So my advice to you is to make sure you like confirm information. Like if someone says something, or if you have an appointment written down, like the day before, confirm that it's the time that you have written down, just in case there has been some mix-up or there was some sort of miscommunication. And another one which ties in between this, you know how I mentioned, I don't know which vlog it was, I think it was the 11th one, but I mentioned the importance of replying emails and following up. After I mentioned it, I made the same mistake again, and it was just an assumption that, like, if someone sends me, like, don't make assumptions. That's the sharp cook. Just don't make assumptions. Make sure you clarify information. Even if you think it's unnecessary to like clarify, just do it, because it will just save you a lot of stress. So yeah, that is. Okay, maybe I should explain. So someone sent me an email saying they wanted to do this by a certain date, and I didn't reply saying okay, but I did it by the date. And when I sent it to the person was like, oh, they already assigned it to someone else because I didn't reply the email. So yeah, you get what I'm, let me speak bad English, but you understand what I'm talking about. So yeah, make sure you don't make assumptions, and also make sure that you clarify information, especially when you have like a meeting or an interview or something that's very like time specific. The day before, message or call the person that is concerned and clarify the time. So yeah, thanks for watching. I know this is a very short vlog. Yeah, the other ones have been longer. Oh, I forgot to mention, I'm giving away this Millesime pair of earrings. I'm wearing the necklace, and in my previous vlog, the one where I wore a blue outfit, link here, I was wearing earrings from them. So yeah, if you want to win these earrings, head on over to the blog for the conditions, and make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. Yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching, and catch you next week. Oh, and if you've ever experienced, or if you ever had any experience where you didn't clarify information and things went badly, let me know. Let me just mention this. When I was in uni, one of my friends overslept and missed an exam and had to come back in the summer to do the receipts, and it was sad. So students or people that have appointments, also make sure your alarm is set. Maybe set more than one alarm, set 2 or 3, or tell someone to wake you up so you don't miss out on important meetings. Thanks for watching. Bye. I'm really feeling my makeup. I'm actually really feeling it. And I haven't left my afro out in a while, but it looks cute, doesn't it? Thanks for watching. Bye.